Hello, my name is Adam Mumford from Bronkhorst, leaders in low-flow fluidics handling technology. Bronkhorst has over 40 years experience in the design and manufacture of low-flow measurement and control devices, mainly used in research and development, laboratories and within industry. When we're talking about low flow, we're talking about measurements in milliliters or sometimes even microliters. We thought it would be important to make a range of videos demonstrating our entire product portfolio, and we hope this helps you when it comes to choosing the correct product for your next application. So let's get to it, and we hope you enjoy the videos, and don't forget to subscribe for all of our latest releases and technology updates.